What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to adjust the bass and other EQ settings on your Sony Mach-5's wireless headphones. So for this to work, the first thing you need to do is obviously connect the headphones to your phone and then go to your respective app store. Mine is the Apple App Store because I'm using an iPhone. So go there and find the Sony Headphones Connect application and then install it and launch that application and make sure you've connected via this application. And from here, go ahead and tap on sound. Under sound, scroll to equalizer, and this is where you can change the EQ of your wireless headphones. Now obviously by default it's off. You can scroll right like this by tapping on these different modes to scroll between the preset EQ modes. So as you can see, you have mellow, you have relaxed, you have vocal. These are all different EQs that have been set. But if you want to adjust bass or simply set your own EQ, simply go all the way to custom, or rather manual, and then tap on settings. And from here, to adjust bass, simply use this slider at the bottom. This is the bass slider, so you can increase bass or reduce the bass. I'm just going to put it back in the middle. And then obviously you can use this to adjust the different components of the EQ to exactly what you're looking for in sound. Once you're happy, simply tap OK, and then you'll go ahead and listen with those particular settings. Now, also, if you go a little further to the right and go to the custom section, you can create your own custom EQs that are going to be saved, and you won't need to be doing this every single time you come. So once you come to, for instance, custom 1, set your own custom 1 EQ, tap OK, and from now on, every time you come and you want to switch quickly to that custom EQ, you can simply come and enable it from there. But that's basically how to EQ or how to equalize your Sony Mach-5 wireless headphones and also adjust the bass. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.